Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you build an app from start to finish using the platform. First thing you do, click Add New. You enter in your information here. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled out this stuff that's required. Outlet name, app name, all that stuff is filled out. It's pretty self-explanatory. The one thing that you would want to know is the category. So we have a bunch of pre-built types of apps already pre-built, and whatever you select here will have everything turned on for you that's relevant to that type of business. So for example, if you're selecting a cafe, you'll have food ordering system, points rewards, punch cards, that kind of stuff that's already turned on for you. You will be able to go in and update it and add things if you needed to, but that's what this has done. So this is going to be a coach or a trainer, and I will hit submit, and you'll see it's been added successfully. When I come back to my list here, you will see it at the top of my list. Now, the automatic mail content is what you can send to your clients. So when you've sold in the app, you click this link and it will send them the email that you just created in the account. It will send them the welcome email that you're sending that you created over here in the auto mail content. So we have a welcome mail that goes out for your resellers and all the account information. You can customize this to do whatever you want. But let's stick to the building process. So we have now created the app at the top here. You see the create app link right here. If we click on that, you will see the areas where you can customize the color schemes, the images and background. So the login screen, you can put a custom image there. All the image sizes are mentioned here, and the types of image, if it's PNG or JPEG, it would be mentioned there. You can configure the features. Like I said, when you select the category of apps, all the features that are relevant to that category will come as turned on. And you can see what they are. If you want to turn something off or on, you can just basically come in here and do that. And now this is no longer on. Same thing if you want to turn it, this is no longer on, so if you want to turn something from off to on, you would just basically make it active. Okay, so I will just do something like that, make this active, and away we go. So that's all the features here listed in the platform. Your next step would be the menu, and we will use, I will just use the standard menu, but the layout for is the advanced menu. I didn't create an image for this one yet, that's why I'm not using this. The required images, these are the kinds of images you're going to need. You're going to need the icons, a login screen, the home screen of the app, a smaller icon, a splash screen. Those are the main images that you're going to need to create the app. So I didn't create an image for the menu, but you can also create a custom image for the menu. Okay, the publish section I will come back to after I've added all the images. So the publish section is where you enter the information that's required to publish the apps. This is for Google, this is for Apple. The Google stuff you enter yourself, and you'll be able to generate the source code, which we will do in this video. The Apple stuff, you fill out the information, upload the images, and we submit the Apple app for you. Okay, so let's go into the building part of the app. Okay, so once you've created the app, you would log in, okay, and come down to the settings. So this dashboard, what you're looking at, is the dashboard that your clients see. Okay, so all of your clients will see from the word dashboard all the way down. This is where they would manage the app. Okay, we can go into the different features after we've done the building process. So the first thing that you do is after you've logged in is go to the settings and come to the home screen. Now this is where the magic is. So this is already coming with, we selected a category of a coach, whatever. So it comes with some sort of a starter screen so that you can have an idea of what to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to delete this and replace it. So I'm just deleting this. I'm going to replace it with the new screens that we've built specifically for this app. So when you hit the Add New button, you get this screen, and this is where you can upload your own file. Okay, so the image sizes are mentioned here, 960 pixels wide with a maximum height of 3,000 pixels. If you need to go longer than that, you would have to create two separate images. Okay, so let me find the image that I want. This is the one that I want, and I'll just call it home. Let's call it home screen. And this is key. Coming down here, disregard all this stuff. You would assign a function to this screen, so we will say multifunction because this is where the magic is. So make sure you put multifunction. Okay, hit submit, and the screen will pop up on the outside. So this is the screen that we're now making for this specific app. Okay. Now, this is where the magic, like I said, in our platform happens. We don't use a template. We don't use layouts. We allow you to build an app strictly from with literally no limits, no boundaries. you're creating an app. This is the home screen of the app. So this is what people will always see when they open up the app. This was an image created in Photoshop by one of our designers, and we've uploaded the image into the system as you just saw, and now we're going to assign functionality to it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and assign functionality. Click on that link there, and it brings me into the image here, and I click on the image. Now I can make a hotspot. So I can take this, I can move it anywhere I want, I can put it wherever I want. And what I'm doing is I'm going to make a hotspot and map out the functionality on this app. So this would be a call us feature. And I'm just going to tell the system to go to the call us button. Okay. So now when anyone touches this area on the screen, it will take them to a phone number where it'll dial right from the device. Again, similarly, I'm going to do this for notifications. We're doing push notifications here. Title the screen. Okay. And say you're telling the system to go to notifications when anyone touches this area of the screen. So I'm going to finish mapping this out. Hang on a second. Okay, so I went ahead and mapped out the rest of the functions that I want to have on the home screen of this app. I didn't find an Instagram page, so I can put that there, but everything else has been pretty much mapped out, what we're adding. So these are the few functions that we're having on the home screen. It's all been done. I saved it, and now the app is essentially built. There are some things that you would want to come in here and customize. You know, when you're building an app for your own specific customer, whether it's a clothing store, pizza place, hair salon, whatever the niche is, there are some things that come pre-built for you, but they're pre-built with dummy text. So if we were building a cafe or a pizza restaurant, it's going to come with text and things that are already pre-configured to that industry, but it's not going to say your customer's name. So if your customer's name, for example, is Joe's Pizza Place, it's not going to say Joe's Pizza Place or have his logo in any of the automated marketing tools that we've got. So let's take a look at what we should do after we've finished with the home screen. We've got the campaigns area, which is where we've created autopilots. Autopilots are automatic push notifications. So these are things that you can actually create for your clients, and there's a couple of things that you can add. So for example, you hit the add button and you create a welcome message. So I'm going to create that. Welcome, again, it can be, you know, to whoever. This is going to be a marketing event to Marketing Central. Okay, this type of autopilot push notification, there's two options: a sign up or reminder. A sign up can only happen one time. So the first time someone downloads the app, they will get this sign up message. So I'm going to make the same headline here, and sorry, paste here. Let's put another message in here. Okay, so mobile. So this is the kind of stuff that you can customize, and you should customize for each of your clients. Okay, it'll come with some dummy text in most of the fields, but this is how you customize it. Whatever comes with, obviously you're putting your own customer information in there. Okay, you hit the submit button, and now we've created an automatic push notification. So this goes out to anyone that downloads the app for the first time. Okay, similarly, we've got automated emails. None of these are set. You would want to set this stuff up as well. So a welcome email, so you can set up something here for your clients, add some imaging, add some messaging, welcome them to your rewards program or the app. Any kind of information that would be relevant to them would be set up here as well. Okay, so that's what you do that. And what else can we look at? I think that should cover it. Now I'm going to go to the publish part and actually publish this app while I have you guys here. So I would come back into the create app section, and let's go ahead and go to the image and background. I'm going to upload my screen here. So this is the login screen. Okay. Oh, wrong. This is a PSD file. I don't want that. I need a JPEG file. So the login screen that's a Photoshop file. I don't want that. This is the one that I want. So you can see the PNG. It comes right in the background there. I don't need a logo. So I'm going to go to the build section here. That's all done. Design, that's fine. The menu is fine. Now we go to the publish section. So right here, I need a splash screen. I will upload my splash screen, which is this one. Is that a PNG? It is. I will upload that. Okay, I need an app icon. We'll get that. This is large, this is small. I've done that. Now my package name is important. So it's the name of the app, so I'm going to call it Marketing Alliance. Okay, query key, we're using the 1, 2, 3, 4. The app icon name again is Marketing Alliance. Okay, and the server key in the JSON file, there's a separate video on how to get that. I'm going to go ahead and make that right now, and I'll populate it, and I'll show you how to finish the build. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to be uploading pasting the server key here. So here's the server key, it's being pasted, and I will find the JSON file that I saved from the Google console, right? I pasted the key, I upload the JSON file. Let me find it here, hang on 1 second, it's in my downloads folder. There it is, I pasted it in, and now hit the update button, and now you see this key is ready to go. So I can now generate the source code, come back to the main page, hit the generate button, and 2 or 3 minutes later, you will have the app built. That's the end of it. Thanks for watching, guys.